Good day, world. I'm going to do a quick review of the Ego 56 volt weed eater. First of all, I want to say I absolutely love this thing. I think I've been mowing my yard with it for about 2 or 3 years now. It's got some features that I really like. When it runs out of string, I can restring it in literally probably a minute. There's all kinds of videos on the internet you'll find where people show you how to do it and whatnot, so I figured I would just give you guys an honest review about it. I absolutely love it. I got tired of the 2-stroke, so I went with this. I can load it within a minute or so, right back at it. Some tips and tricks, what you guys will find when you start using it is it doesn't make that much noise, and the noise that it makes is going to be due to how much string that you have out. So in fact, the second time I went to use this, I didn't think it was actually working right. I thought maybe the battery's dead, the motor was messed up. Come to find out, I just didn't have enough string out there. So it's going to take some getting used to. You also need to learn your throttle control, because you don't have to run this thing wide open. It has more than enough battery to do my whole yard. Obviously, I'm not doing commercial lawns with it. I do my yard with it, front and back. It's quite a bit of weed eating. I got some stuff in the backyard. I'm going to put a little clip on here where you guys can see me using it. I'm holding it one-handed. I'm pretty much running it about wide open in the video. It's hard to hold it one-handed and also control the throttle and record at the same time. So I also want to note that not once have I ever wished that this thing had more power. Most of the time I don't even have to run it wide open. You can really drag the battery out and get a lot of battery life out of it if you use a little bit of throttle control. So it's going to take some getting used to, but well worth the money. I love it. When it's time to cut the grass, I usually put the battery on the charger. I get the RC mower out. If you guys haven't seen that, I got a video out on that, and by the time I'm done mowing the yard, the battery on the weed eater's charged and I can go out there. So in the beginning I probably killed the battery a couple of times until I learned a little bit of throttle control, and today I just did the whole yard. And the yard was worse than it normally is, because last weekend I just kind of mowed it real quick and then I went boating and I didn't take the time to weed eat it, so the weeds are definitely worse today, and even then I still got plenty of battery left. So I'm gonna attach a little video. You guys get to see me using it in action.
This is the string that I be using. It's twisted. It's brand new. I got this at Home Depot for like 10 or 15 bucks. It's worth the money. It makes a big difference.
Holding it one-handed.